In this video, I'll show you how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. Scheduling a meeting in Teams is quick and easy once you know where to look. This is useful when you want to plan a one-on-one call, a team discussion, or even a larger online presentation. You can do this from the desktop app or the web version, and the basic steps are almost the same. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account. On the left side of the screen, click on the Calendar tab. This is where you can view your upcoming meetings, appointments, and availability. At the top right, click New Meeting. This opens the meeting setup page where you can enter all the details. Now start by typing a title for your meeting. Make the title clear so everyone knows what the meeting is about. After that, add the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Teams will usually suggest contacts as you type, which makes this part faster. Next, choose the date and time for the meeting. You can set a start time and an end time, and if needed, you can also make it a recurring meeting. That is helpful for weekly check-ins, project updates, or regular team calls. If you want, you can also add a location, but for most Teams meetings, the online meeting link is enough. Below that, you'll see a larger message box. This is where you can add an agenda, notes, or instructions before sending the invite. For example, you might include the topics to discuss, files to review, or anything participants should prepare in advance. Before sending the meeting, check the scheduling assistant if it is available in your version of Teams. This helps you find a time that works for everyone by showing their availability. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your meeting will be added to the calendar, and all invited participants will receive an invitation with the Teams meeting link. If you need to make changes later, just go back to the calendar, open the meeting, and edit the details. And that's how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.